Hello and welcome everyone. In today's episode of Inventory for You and Me, we are going to briefly look at yet another stock counting method known as spot checking. Unlike the periodic stock taking and the perpetual stock taking methods we have seen before, spot checking is mainly adopted by micro and small businesses. In this, you manually check the quantities of items during every sale or purchase, and compare them against the quantities on the invoice. The idea here is to double-check the inventory as soon as they come in or are about to leave the store or warehouse. To understand this better, let's see an example. Denzel runs a retail store where he sells bicycles and spares. Last week, he ordered 24 imported spoke rims and 15 touring seats from a supplier. Today, boxes carrying the same arrived at his doorstep. Bicycle parts in general come with either a barcode or a serial number attached to them. Denzel logs everything in his inventory management system, or IMS, on his phone to access the purchase invoice sent by the supplier. He opens the packages, and uses the built-in barcode scanning function within his IMS to capture these items one by one within a goods receipt note or GRN. He then compares the items on the GRN against the invoice before adding them to his available inventory. Denzel uses the same approach whenever he sells a part or even a whole bicycle to an end customer before taking them off his inventory. Using spot checks, Denzel stays on top of his stock flow and catches any discrepancies right then and there. In larger businesses, spot checks can be adopted as a backup safety measure along with either a periodic stock-taking workflow or a perpetual stock-taking mechanism in place. That concludes our session on spot checking. Let's meet again for another video on a new topic. Until then, please stay safe and healthy. Cheers!